What's going on, guys? So we've recently received a brand new update on Roblox that allows users across all platforms to use the new text chat feature. This means you can now text chat on Roblox regardless of whether you're on PS5, Xbox or PC. A lot of people were having trouble with the voice chat feature because it's sometimes restricted based on age, but now the text chat feature on Roblox is finally available for everyone. So I'm currently on the PS5 right now and I'm quickly going to show you how to enable this feature. The very first thing you need to do is press the options button on Roblox and check if the game needs to be updated. If it's not updated on your console, this feature simply won't work. As you can see, I'm on the latest version of Roblox, so I should be good. Now, if you open Roblox and head over to settings, you will also see the cross-platform play feature right here. You must make sure that this is enabled for the text chat feature to work, as it allows you to chat with players across all platforms. Once this is done, go ahead and open any game on Roblox that supports online multiplayer. I'm just going to open Brookhaven. Once you're in the game, press the options button on your controller and you should see the chat option right here. You can also press the touchpad and hover over the chat icon to display your text chat. Another thing to remember is to make sure you have auto translation enabled in the settings, since you are in the lobby with players from around the world. If they type in a different language, you will still see their messages in English. Now, many people are still receiving this update, and for some, the chat feature isn't showing yet. If that's you, don't worry, you should see this feature as soon as you receive the next Roblox update, so do keep an eye out for it. With that being said, I hope you find this video useful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.